Hey y'all, in this video, I am going to break down a trade that I took in only 28 minutes and I was able to make $4,500 with this one trade. And listen, this is not a brag moment. You know your girl's a teacher, so I'm going to teach you how to do it. There's no gatekeeping here. I'm going to show you on real charts exactly what I did. And you know what? I just want to say a big shout out to my Boss Up family. Inside the Discord, they were able to take this trade with me, and I'm so overjoyed that I was able to help beginner traders and intermediate traders figure out the strategy and actually know what's happening and be able to take this trade. So I'm so excited for the growth that's happening in Boss Up Academy and to see the growth. So way to go to you, my BU family. So if you need help with your trading journey and you want to join the Boss Up Academy, go ahead and text option to this number here or check the description box below. Okay? All right, let's go to the charts. The trade that I took in 28 minutes and made $4,500. So first things first, when the market opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, we are on the 2-minute candle. So each candle represents 2 minutes of price action. Another thing I want to point out on the screen right now is that my levels that I pre-market for my group members, my BU family, and I drop it in the Discord. And these are the levels that we use to take profit, or what we call our profit targets. So as the move is moving in our favor, we will have targets to hit to actually secure some profits. So you are getting rewarded for the move going in your favor. I want to point out that on NVIDIA in the morning, the exact levels that pre-market that we're going to be hitting were given in the morning here. So just to go back and give you some actual factual receipts in it. All right, y'all. So let's get into it. All right, y'all. So I'm on the playback tool, right? If you don't know how to use that, that is this little button here and it plays back the bars for you on TradingView. So you get to see, play out what the charts did in real time. Let's hit play what the price action does. Okay. So first thing off the bat, right? Amazing green volume candle here. Volume is an indicator that I use as one of my confluences for me to be able to enter into a trade, right? So I like to see volume in the direction of the move that I wanted to go. So if I'm interested in a call, a tall green candle in volume is a positive thing. That's one positive. That doesn't mean get in a trade, okay? A second confluence that I saw that was really, really promising was the break of pre-market high, right? The break of pre-market high. And it broke pre-market high and it had volume. So check. Okay. So now let's look at the next candle and what it does. Okay. All right. So this little red candle here is what we would call a pullback, right? So think of this as like a rubber band and creating some tension. And tension trading, we are looking for that tension to create that impulse move. And in the sense that we're looking for a call, we're looking for the impulse move to go up. Okay. So the pullback here is a great indicator for me to want to get into a call position. And I like the fact that the volume on the red candle was significantly shorter or smaller than the green candle. Let's look at what the next candle does. All right. Clearly it breaks above the pullback here. And that is my entry point. Okay. I have entered into the trade now. And what I also want to point out is our stop loss. If you've been watching any of my videos, is that you know that I don't like to enter into a trade unless I know my stop loss. Just like if you're going out, you don't want to get into, go anywhere and you don't know your exit, right? So my exit or my stop loss would be on the bottom of that entry candle. So we are waiting for price action to get to our next profit target. Okay. And you will learn this, guys. Patience pays, and it is going to definitely pay, as you can see in this trade, right? So, and these were our 2-minute candles. So it wasn't a long time to sit through to get to my next profit target. Didn't hit it yet. Remember, we are waiting for it to actually hit my profit target for me to take profit. All right. So at this point, guys, it did hit my profit target here at the 946 candle. So I was able to take 50% off of my contracts. Okay. So that's a lovely move to the upside. And now I am going to be enacting my runners, right? So I still have 50% of my position, my initial position in this particular trade. Okay. So I was able to secure my profit from here up to here. Okay, which is a great take home. So at this point, y'all, if the trade goes against me, I know where my new stop loss is. And also, if the trade continues in my favor, I still have skin in the game, okay? I don't know how many times you have seen it where it's like, oh, you exit out of a trade and then it's like still going in that direction and you're like, dang, I should have stayed in. Well, if you instill runners, then you won't have to worry about that feeling. So let's see what price action does. It's hanging out right at that same level there. And right there, guys, right here, where it touched my 9 EMA, guys, I am good for the day. I exited out my position. I didn't see the volume that I liked. These two volume candles down here, these red candles, I did not like how they looked. And that's perfectly fine because I was happy with my takeaway. Hey, I'm a former elementary school teacher. The 4,500 is more than, sadly to say, my salary. So I was glad to take that and live to trade another day. Okay. Not a bad day to end off the day in 28 minutes of trading. And I want you to see that trading is simple, guys. If you have a strategy, it's not a guessing game, right? You see a play, you take the play, and you know where your stop loss is, and you know where your take profits is, and you live to trade another day. All right, y'all. So I hope you learned something new and know that you can do this too, guys. Okay. So if you like this video, you do me a quick favor, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe because your girl's going to always come with content like this. All right. So nonetheless, guys, I love teaching you and, would want for you to join the Boss Academy. So make sure you look in the description box down below. Always excited to have amazing people a part of the BU family. All right. So without further ado, I will see you on the next one.